Thank you, Honorable Chairman and dignitaries. Bonjour, good morning, namaste. Well, I'm here to share our actions on ground, especially regarding soil health and soil carbon. My organization, BIAF Development Research Foundation, reach out to about 4 million families every year spread across 100,000 villages in 320 districts of India. We are proud to be members of this dynamic initiative of 4 per thousand and also to be part of various working groups during recent part. It's a pleasure to learn about various affirmative actions being undertaken by various members on ground. And it's really proud moment that there's a momentum for this initiative during last few years. Through my organization, let me share very important few initiatives we have undertaken during last 4 or 5 years. Through participatory natural resource management projects, about 350,000 hectares of land has been protected by adopting soil and water conservation measures. This has been achieved through applying scientific and innovative solutions addressing the local needs of soil health and natural resource enrichment. The initiative has increased the land productivity, minimized the risks of climate change, sequestered carbon, conserved biodiversity, and these actions help to neutralize the land degradation through involvement of the community. In partnership with the community, BIAF has also devised agri-hortiforestry approach, which is locally called as WADI in India. Through this model, over the last 3 decades, BIAF has transformed about 80,000 hectares of land into productive orchards and has benefited more than 200,000 of needy tribal people in India. Our study has indicated that this particular agri-hortiforestry approach, the WADI approach, the 10-year plantation has a potential to sequester about the 23 tons per hectare of the carbon, which is equivalent to 84 tons of carbon equivalent. Another program, which is we call it ProSoil, the healthy soil practices in agriculture, covering about 83,000 hectares belonging to more than again 2 million families. The outcome of this program through various soil amendment, soil management, and health practices is the drastic increase in organic carbon, 0.1% over a period of last 2 years. This has also increased crop yields by 30%, resulting in additional income to the farmers by about 40%. Let me also share that we have been working in close partnership with the national as well as international institutes like Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and we are very proud partners of INRA, France, and CGIAR Institute, at least half a dozen of the institutes, and various research and academic institutes worldwide, within country, various state governments and central government departments. Finally, I look forward to continue work in close coordination with 4 per thousand initiative and its member institutions and play a major role in following way. As an implementing agency at grassroots level for execution of various proven technologies in India, taking to the grassroots level through farmers. Second, as a knowledge partner, we would be able to really take this 4 per thousand initiative, the carbon management initiative, wherever there is scope at national and international level. Moreover, we would be really happy to really promote these technologies through Center of Excellence, which we plan to establish in India in our campus in Pune. Thank you very much.